Konnichiwa, Roxanne desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be trying some more Japanese snacks. Today I've got 6 snacks that we're going to try, and I'm going to show you. This one is a Dragon Ball Z.
It's over 9,000!
It's like a chocolate wafer kind of thing. I've had something similar, and I'm pretty sure this one's going to be good. I've got the koala yummies is what I call them. I know that's not the real name, but that's what I call them, koala yummies. And I believe this one was a pudding flavor, which is a type of pudding in Japan. And then I have a umaibo that is a chocolate one. Unfortunately, it either is shaped different than a normal umaibo, or it didn't make it through shipping very well. It feels kind of strange. And then I have these. There's some kind of gummy, and I believe these are peach flavored gummies. So that should be tasty. And then I believe this is gum, but it also comes with some kind of face-changing toy. So that sounds like it'll be fun. I'm gonna probably eat this one last since it's gum. And then we have some chips that are strong. And these are butter and garlic flavored. So that should be interesting. So I think we're gonna go ahead and start with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. So, I don't really smell garlic. They just smell like regular potato chips, and they basically just look like regular potato chips too. So let's give them a taste. There is a slight butter and garlic taste. It's very good. I like this. It's very subtle though. Alright. I think it could have been stronger. They could go stronger with that. And we're going to try this umaibo. See if it survived. Okay. So it is shaped different. It's like little balls in there. Usually it's just a long stick. So, It's more bready than crunchy. Usually they're pretty crunchy, but this is more bready. And they're filled with chocolate. Interesting. The breading has a strange flavor to it. Almost seaweed, which is kind of odd. But other than that, it's good. I like it. And we'll go for the koala yummies. It tastes like pudding. Pudding. How they say it in Japanese. Maybe. I could be saying it wrong. There we go. Cute little... Are these pandas too? Yeah. Cute little panda. That tastes very close to the taste of custard, which I love. I love Japanese custard, and I cannot wait to eat tons of it when we go back in a few months. Alright, next thing. Alright, so we're going to try these peach gummies. I always love gummies. Let's see. So they got like a sugary coating, it looks like, on the outside. They're not as gummy as the last one that I had in the last video, but very sweet. a bit of a sour tang to it and a definite peach taste. They're good though. Stick those in my lunch for work. Yummy! Alright. Now I'm gonna try this chocolate wafer. Dragon Ball Z. Maybe there'll be a sticker. I like Dragon Ball Z. Oh, maybe. No, that might be just the cardboard it's sitting on. So, oh, no sticker. But there's the wafer. Looks very similar to other wafers, and oh, there is a sticker! Yay, sticker! Woohoo! Awesome. So let's try this. Oh, so good. That is very good. I like it. Chocolate, crunchy. The chocolate's not super sweet. It's a very mild chocolate taste, but it's good. And here's the sticker. So that's cool. Stick it maybe in my bullet journal or something like that. Who knows? I'll find a place. Maybe on my luggage. And we're gonna do this last one, which is gum. I think. Yeah. It's that weird gum that's super plain and just, I guess it's more about the toy than the gum. And here's the toy that comes with it that's supposed to change your face. Maybe my next video I'll do the whole thing with this face on. That'll be fun. Alright, so let's give this candy a try. Time for this very plain, very square piece of gum. Now, it's got a fruity flavor, very average kind of flavor. Not bad, just not different either. But yeah, I'm gonna give it to. I wouldn't go out of my way to go buy this, except for maybe for the toy. It's not bad. I like it. So I hope you enjoyed that small sampling of Japanese snacks, and I hope you get to try some Japanese snacks of your own. Here in the US, you can of course order it from Amazon, and also there's a grocery store called H Mart that I know of. I'm sure there's plenty of other places to get really cool Japanese snacks, but that's what's near me. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope you'll come back. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more. And of course, soon we'll be going to the real Japan, Tokyo, and we'll be eating all kinds of food and snacks. So don't forget, like and subscribe. And I'll see you again later. Mata ne!